Hello everyone, welcome again to another aspect of motion. And today we are going to look at causes of motion. When we look at causes of motion, remember we have discussed so much on motion. We have done velocity time graph, we have done the general equation of motion, but our mind today is going to deal on causes of motion. Now that agent that causes motion is known as force. Please don't forget this. The agent that is responsible for any motion for any body to undergo motion, such agent is known as what? Force. And that is what we are discussing today. Now, what is force? We said force is that agent that tends to change the position of the body either at rest or in motion. Or we can also define it this way: force is that which changes the body state of rest or constant speed in a straight line. Now, let me now give you the formula for force. Let me now give you the formula for force. Force, it is simply the formula of force. That is mass is acceleration. That is the product of mass and is what? Acceleration. The product of mass and is acceleration. This is the formula of force. I can also represent it this way, which is F equal ma. And this force is a vector quantity. Please don't forget, force is a vector quantity. And now, what is the dimension for force? What is the dimension for force? And you remember I've taught you dimension before. I said force is a vector quantity. Please don't forget that it's a vector quantity. Now, what is the dimension for force? What is the dimension for force? Let us look at the dimension for force. Dimension for force. Now, the dimension for this one mass is simply m, capital letter M. While the dimension for acceleration, remember I've given you before, go back to other class I've had on acceleration. We said it was LT, the X T power minus 2. This is the dimension of force. This is the dimension of force. And what is the unit of force? The force is measured in Newton. Force is measured in what? In Newton or kilogram meter per second square. We measure force in Newton or kilogram meter per second square. Without use Newton, please don't forget, without use Newton or use what? Kilogram meter per second square. This is how to measure force. And please don't forget the dimension of force. This is the dimension and this is the formula for force. Mass and this what? Acceleration. That is the product of mass and this what? Acceleration. Now there are two types of force. We have contact force. There are two types of force. We have what? Contact force and feed force. Contact force and what? Feed force. We have another one which is feed force. Feed force. Now, what are contact force? Contact force are force that do not. Contact force are force that require contact or touch. Contact force are force that require what? Contact or touch. Now, the example of such force that require contact or touch is frictional force. Frictional force. An example is what? Frictional force. Frictional force. Another one that requires contact or touch is the tension. Tension is another force that requires contact or touch. Another one again is what? Force of push. Force of push and then force of pull is another example under contact force. I told you before, I told you earlier that the contact force refers to what? A force that requires contact or touch. Please don't forget that. A force that requires contact or touch is simply known as what? A contact force. An example is of frictional force, tension, and force of push and force of pull. These are examples. I think we still have other examples under this contact force. But let me just give this as a clear example. Okay, let me now look at feed force. Meaning feed force now, what we mean by feed force? Feed force is that force that does not require contact or touch. That do not require contact or touch. Example are gravitational force. Gravitational force is an example of what? Feed force. Another one is what? Electrostatic force. Electrostatic force is another example of force of that feed force that do not require contact or touch. Another one is magnetic force. Another one is what? Magnetic force. Do not require touch. They do not require touch or contact. All these, like as well stop here, you can list as many you know under this feed force. They do not require contact or touch. While this one require contact or touch. Example of these are contact. This one are contact force. This one are what? Contact force. While this one here are feed force. This one here are what? Feed force. I think at this point I will stop and we focus on other aspects of. Okay, I will still remain under this causes of motion. Please, I will still remain under this causes of motion. I'm going to discuss the contact force again, which is the frictional force. I will discuss that. Tension, I will discuss that. And also, I will also enter gravitational force. I will also discuss that under gravitational force. Please, for this gravitational force, please just take note. The force is simply F equal mg. Instead of using ma, please don't forget. When I get to this one, I will teach you this very one. When we get to that, remember I told you that F is equal ma. When we come to gravitational force, that is to say a body under gravity, mean the force become what? Mg. Where you have G is not as acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.8 meter per second square, or approximately 10 meter per second square. These are all we have under this aspect of motion. Please don't forget I said we still remain under this area, which of course this one will now lead us to frictional force and also tension and so many other ones. Thank you very much for staying on this platform. And please don't go away. I'll be right back after.